Right now, we're seeing a plus 0.35 sentiment score in cybersecurity, which is notably higher than our historical baseline. This spike indicates a surge in positive sentiment, even as momentum has dipped minus 0.26. This divergence suggests that while short-term trends may be bearish, there's an underlying confidence building in the cybersecurity sector, reflected in the 9 semantic clusters we've identified. Our API returns real-time insights into sentiment, providing you with a deeper understanding of the emotional landscape surrounding cybersecurity. For instance, you might use this data to refine your threat intelligence strategy, prioritizing resources in areas where sentiment is shifting positively, despite recent market uncertainties. To explore more about how to leverage this sentiment data, visit pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's build smarter, together.